Welcome to AAAPOS Webstore Manager tutorial. Section 4.1a, How to create a custom application access token in Shopify. In this video, we'll guide you through creating a custom app access token in Shopify to integrate with Webstore Manager. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to Settings, then select Apps and Sales Channels. Click Develop Apps. If you're using an older interface, this might be labeled as Manage Private Apps. Then, select Create an App. For the app name, type AAAPOS Webstore Manager, and select a user with proper permissions as the app developer. Once everything is filled out, click Create App. Now, configure the app permissions. Go to the Configuration tab, and select Configure to allow the necessary permissions. For AAAPOS Webstore Manager, the following admin API access scopes are required. Select the appropriate API access levels and save the changes. Next, go to the API Credentials tab. Under Access Token, click Install App and confirm by selecting Install in the prompt. After installation, an API access token will be generated. To view the token, click Reveal Token once. Copy the token and save it securely, such as in Notepad, for Webstore configuration. Remember, you can only view the token once. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom app access token in Shopify for AAAPOS Webstore Manager.